Claude will never predict the next NVIDIA, but you can. 6 months ago, I fired my financial advisor and built a 3-method system just using some AI tricks. And my portfolio has never looked this green before. And in this video, I'll show you the exact system I use to expose hidden corporate risks and build tax-proof portfolios without wasting thousands in commissions. Let us get one thing straight right now. Claude is not a magic crystal ball. It does not know the future, and it certainly cannot predict the right stock by itself. Most people on the internet treat these tools like fortune tellers, typically typing in lazy prompts like "what should I buy today?" and that is exactly why they fail. And this is exactly why I stopped setting unrealistic expectations and started asking the right questions, the smart questions. Claude does not get tired, and I use it for the numbers, the math, the boring stuff. But it will confidently give you a wrong number sometimes that costs you real money, and I'll show you exactly how I catch it later in this video. But first, to get that data, you have to start programming Claude like an employee. The biggest mistake beginners make is opening a blank chat and just asking a random question. Before we even get into the specific methods, you need to understand the concept of role-playing and system prompts. Whenever you start a new chat for financial research, your very first prompt must be a prefix that assigns the AI a strict identity. Basically, set a role for your AI using a basic but detailed system prompt. I use this exact system prompt before I start. Act as a ruthless forensic accountant and senior portfolio manager with 20 years of experience at Goldman Sachs. Your job is to find flaws in financial data and optimize for maximum tax efficiency. Do not give me generic disclaimers, give me cold, hard data. When you set that baseline, you give the AI a completely different personality to work with. It stops sounding like a polite robot and starts analyzing data with a highly critical professional lens. Now that you have your virtual analyst programmed, let us put it to work. I'll list out 3 methods I personally use, completely breaking them down for you, step by step. Before you can study a stock, you need a stock to study. So how do you even find the right ones when there are thousands of companies out there? Most people use basic free internet stock screeners. That is exactly how you end up with average results. Instead, we are going to use Claude to build an infinite custom screener. You can go to any financial site like Yahoo Finance or Finviz and download a massive spreadsheet of the S&P 500 or the Russell 2000. You take that raw CSV file and upload it directly into Claude. Then you give it a ruthless set of filters that regular websites cannot easily process. This is what I tell it to do. Filter this entire list of companies. I only want businesses with zero long-term debt, revenue that has grown for 3 straight years, and profit margins consistently over 20%. Claude will slice through the noise in seconds. It will take a list of 3,000 random stocks and hand you a laser-focused list of 5 highly profitable businesses. But wait, don't do it all at once. Break it into parts, because even though Claude doesn't get tired, it has a context limit you must keep in mind. Here's a massive cheat code to make this even more effective. When you upload data, AI can sometimes get confused by messy spreadsheet columns. To fix this, you want to use XML tags in your prompt. Before you paste or upload the data, type this. Then, in your prompt, you say, analyze the information provided within the financial data tags. This forces the AI to look at a specific area, completely eliminating confusion and hallucinations. Now you actually have a target list and you know exactly where to look. Once you have your target list, we move to the interrogation room, where we squeeze out all the information about the stock before putting our money in. When you buy a stock, you are buying a real business. To understand that business, you must read their financial reports. These are called SEC filings, and they are absolutely brutal to read. Corporate lawyers design them to be confusing, exhausting, and hundreds of pages long. No normal person has the time to read that after work. We usually rely on fast news headlines, but headlines leave things out. They focus on flashy numbers, hiding the real story deep inside the footnotes. This is where Claude changes the game entirely. It has a massive memory window, meaning it can hold an incredible amount of information at once. You can take 3 years of a company's annual reports and the last 5 earnings calls and drag all those massive text files straight into the chat box. But do not ask if the stock is good, ask it to find the dirt. You want to look for contradictions and negative space, which is what the CEO is trying to hide by not talking about it. Type this exact prompt, read these 3 years of transcripts, tell me every time the CEO changed their tone about profit margins. Find any contradictions between what they promised in 2024 and what they actually delivered in 2025. It will instantly scan millions of words and point out that management quietly changed how they calculate their numbers just to make things look better. Here is another pro tip for your prompts. Always use a suffix at the end of your request to force accountability. Add this line to the very end of your prompt. Format your response as a bulleted list and suffix your analysis with a confidence score from 1 to 100 based purely on the data provided. You can also hunt for hidden legal risks. Tell the machine what are the top 3 risks the company disclosed this year that they completely omitted last year. Maybe they are facing a massive hidden lawsuit or their main supplier is going bankrupt. Your AI analyst will find it in seconds, giving you the exact same information edge as an elite hedge fund manager. That brings us to the third method. Over time, your investments get incredibly messy. You have old retirement accounts, personal brokerages, and random mutual funds. Your money is scattered everywhere without you even realizing it. You might own the exact same companies in 3 different places, exposing yourself to massive hidden risks. Figuring out how to fix this requires massive spreadsheets, deep math, and a strong understanding of tax laws. Most people just ignore it, letting their accounts bleed money through sheer inefficiency. Claude fixes this problem instantly. First, you need your raw data. Go to every investment account you own, hit the export button, and download your current holdings as a spreadsheet. Gather everything into one single file and upload it to Claude. But you must set strict guardrails. You have to give the machine your exact financial parameters. Give it a prompt like this. Here is my entire portfolio. I'm 30 years old. My target allocation is 80% stocks and 20% bonds. I refuse to sell my Apple stock because of the massive capital gains tax hit. Work around it. Now ask for a gap analysis. Calculate my current asset allocation across all accounts. Where am I overexposed? The AI will combine your messy data and show you exactly where you are taking too much risk. But identifying the problem is only half the battle. You need a practical solution that avoids triggering a tax nightmare. Tell it, generate a step-by-step plan to fix my portfolio. Which lots should I sell to harvest tax losses? Which funds should I hold to avoid short-term capital gain taxes? Crucially, flag any trades that violate the 30-day wash sale rule. If you skip that last line, you're dead in the water. Beginners constantly sell a losing stock, buy it right back a week later, and get slapped by the IRS for violating the wash sale rule, completely blowing up their tax break. Forcing the AI to map that 30-day window keeps your money bulletproof. It will map out exactly what to sell and buy, effortlessly navigating government tax traps so you don't have to. To streamline this process and ensure zero math errors, use the chain of thought cheat code. Add this instruction to your prompt. Before giving me the final execution plan, write out your step-by-step mathematical logic inside a block. Forcing the AI to show its work step-by-step dramatically reduces the chance of it making a calculation error. It gives you a safe, sequenced checklist for this week, next month, and next quarter. This final method sounds intimidating, but it is incredibly easy and highly effective. Wall Street firms have armies of coders building custom software to analyze the markets. They build advanced simulators to stress test their portfolios against economic disasters. You probably do not know how to write complex code, and neither have I since probably a decade. But that does not matter anymore because Claude knows how to code perfectly. You just need to know how to ask for it, and more importantly, how to use what it builds. You can ask it to write a Python script that runs a Monte Carlo simulation on your retirement plan. This specific test runs your portfolio against thousands of possible market crashes and economic booms to see if you will run out of money. Usually, you pay expensive monthly software fees for those kind of tests. The machine will write the code to do it for free. You simply tell Claude, write a Python script that runs a Monte Carlo simulation on a standard 60-40 portfolio. Make the code clean and add comments so a beginner can understand it. Once it gives you the code, you do not need to be a hacker to run it. Just search for a free tool called Google Colab. It is a free platform by Google that lets you run Python code right in your browser. You just copy the code Claude gave you, paste it into Google Colab and hit the play button. Within seconds, you'll have professional grade risk analysis and visual charts generated right on your screen. You can ask it to build visual heat maps of sector performance or scripts that scrape public financial data. You are essentially building your own private financial software without typing a single line of code yourself. Now we need to talk about the danger zone. This is the most crucial part of this entire system. If you skip this step, you'll eventually lose money. AI models hallucinate. They try to be overly helpful and sometimes they get the math entirely wrong. If it miscalculates your tax basis by a single decimal point, it could cost you thousands of dollars in real life. The system only works if you verify the output. We call this the self-audit protocol. Before executing any plan, you must force the AI to double-check its own work. Never accept the first output as the final truth. Once it hands you a plan, open a fresh prompt and type this exact phrase. Review your own math in the previous response. Grade this plan from 1 to 10 for tax efficiency. What did you miss and where is the weakest point of this strategy? It will frequently catch its own errors. It might reply saying it miscalculated the capital gains on a specific mutual fund and provide the corrected math. Treat the AI like a junior intern who just handed you a rough draft. Assume the report has mistakes and challenge it constantly. If the logic behind a specific trade does not make perfect sense to you, do not make the trade. You are the boss and the AI is just the assistant. You take the final responsibility. Never blindly follow a machine with your hard-earned money. The only way to survive in this market is to use the exact same tools the big funds are using. Are you going to let the machines take your money or are you going to use them to build lasting wealth? Let me know in the comments below and hit subscribe.